In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a DocuSign Envelope ID in our 2025 guide to validate your IDs effectively and efficiently. If you're someone who frequently uses DocuSign to manage agreements and signatures, this tutorial will equip you with the necessary steps to confidently validate an envelope ID. To begin, we'll start by heading over to your DocuSign account. If you aren't already logged into the platform, take a moment to do so now. Once you're in, you'll be on the DocuSign homepage where you can access a variety of features related to your documents and agreements. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu with several options. Here, you'll need to click on the Agreements section. This area is your main hub for managing all agreements, whether they are ones you've sent out for signing or agreements you've received. Clicking here will open up a list of agreements you've been working with, both past and present. This list is crucial as it will allow you to locate the specific file whose envelope ID you seek to verify. Now, within this list, locate the particular file you wish to verify. If your list of documents is extensive, use the search function for efficiency. You can search by name, date, or any keyword that corresponds to the file. Once you spot the document, click on it to open the document's detailed view. In the detailed view of your selected document, focus on finding the section labeled Envelope ID. This identifier is unique to each DocuSign transaction and is a critical component for verification purposes. Clicking on the envelope ID will present to you the associated number or code. This number is your envelope ID, and it serves as the proof and verification that the document details align with your specific transaction. Remember, your envelope ID is unique to each document, so it's imperative to handle this ID with care, especially if it involves sensitive agreements. To complete the verification, you might want to cross-check this ID with records or communications you have, especially if there has been any discrepancy or if verification is required by another party involved. So, that's it. You've just walked through the simple yet crucial steps to verify a DocuSign envelope ID. By following this guide, you ensure all your digital transactions via DocuSign remain valid and secure, further safeguarding all your important agreements. Thanks for tuning in today, and make sure you keep this process in mind the next time you need to verify an envelope ID.